Ebbanga liwezeeko nga mu ggwanga lya Iraq waliyo abeekalakaasi wabula ate kino kyayongera nnyo mukadde ke battiramu munnamagye w'eggwanga lya Iran Qasim Soleimani eyattibwa amagye g'eggwanga lya Amerika. Newankubadde nga bino biri bwe bityo naye abakiise mu kikolo ggwanga olukulu bavuddeyo nga baagala gavumenti etangaaze ku bannayuganda abagambibwa okukuuma emirembe mu ggwanga lya Iraq. Kino kireetedde omubaka Roland Mugume bw'abadde mu kikolo ggwanga olukulu ng'ategeeza nga gavumenti bw'esaanidde okumanyisa ku bannayuganda ku biki ebigenda maaso ku bannayuganda abakuuma ddembe abali mu ggwanga lya Iraq n'amawanga amalala.
I want the government, my prayers, I want the government of Uganda to inform us about the safety of Ugandans who are there and how many are they. Because right now, as I'm speaking, Madam Speaker, we don't know the number of the security guards working there. Two, what plans does the government have to evacuate those security guards who are working there? Because the situation there in Iraq is not good to our Ugandans.
Ono awagiddwa ababaka abalala abalaze ennyiike ng'abamu ku bo bwe baafiirwa abaana baabwe nga bali mu ggwanga lya Afghanistan era nga babatwala nga bankuba kyeyo.
Extract every information that they can get at ports of entry, even going into Iraq to find out how many of their people are employed as security guards. Because when they begin returning at the end, say, of the American presence in Iraq, you have another army that will descend on Uganda and you have not planned for it. Then you will have the same stories that we have had here of people being shot, armed robbery.
Wabula Minisita omubeezi ow'abaana nga egwa butereevu mu minisitule ey'ekikula ky'abantu evunaanyizibwa kutwala abantu okuba ekyeyo Nakiwala Kiyingi avuddeyo n'ategeeza nga bwe bagenda okujja na lipoota erambika biki ebigenda maaso mu ggwanga erya Iraq awamu n'abantu abalala batwalibwa emitala w'amayanja.
Whose mandate, amongst others, is to ensure that there is employment for everybody and safe and green employment. At the moment, Right Honourable Speaker, there is a report to be tabled before Parliament. It was meant to be today, from the committee that exhaustively handled the externalization of labor activities. But even then, tomorrow, Right Honourable Speaker, I hope I will bring before Parliament a report particularly for the concern of the Honourable Member for the workers in the security in the region. But we hope to work together with the Ministry for Security.
Wabula ababaka abatali bamu basigadde si bamativu n'okuwaayo kwa minisita nga bagamba nga nti ensonga eno bwesaanidde okuba ng'ekwatibwa ku kannabwala olw'ensonga nti ekwata ku bannansi.
I have lost two of my sons in Afghanistan. They were recruited in Ntinda by the companies in Uganda and deployed by Americans in Afghanistan. That's why I am concerned that if we want to track how did these boys got there to that place, we need to get information from those who are employing them so that we know we can ask a country concerned to give us a brief about the situation on the ground.
Omukubiza w'ekikolo ggwanga olukulu Rebecca Lutola Kadaga avuddeyo n'atangaaza ku nsonga y'emu.
Really, I think you are going to be unfair to the government. First of all, these people went to work. They signed contracts. No one sent them. No, the government didn't send them. You know, I think let's concentrate on the safety of the Ugandan guards in Iraq, which the minister is going to answer. Then if you need other information, you can come back and ask a question properly, what you really want. You can't have a census just...
Yes, Chigongo, Kurwa Channel 44 Olugulo.